From the blue corner, Abamosnow. And from the red corner, Lucario. Here they come. The stage is set and the curtain is up. The red corner makes the first attack. A heavy blow. The situation is a bit of a stalemate. It's a mental tug of war as they anticipate each other's move. Slammed him! It's down and out. Lucario is slowly losing its health. Articuno is sent out. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next? A smashing blow! That dealt some massive damage! A frigid shot from Blizzard! But this is not a favorable matchup. Lucario had its health sapped by Leech Seed. It's not gonna be able to withstand much more. Lucario starts to attack. A harsh blow. That dealt some massive damage. Articuno restored its health. Articuno restored its health again. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. Who's going to take the glory? Oh! Taken out by the avalanche of falling hail. Persian is sent out. In terms of the number of remaining Pokémon, it's an even 50-50. Who will become the victor? The blue corner cannot move. Persian is losing its health. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next? The move can't hit the opponent. A fierce blow. The red corner barely holds on. Articuno restored its health. A chilling breeze can be felt in the Colosseum. The blue corner calls their Pokémon back. Walrein is sent out. It fell asleep. Persian is losing its health. This is getting dangerous. Well, both corners still have a chance to win this. What kind of developments can we expect to see next? It hits. Walrein restored its health. The battle rages on. Their concentration is certainly being tested. Hit! A frigid shot from Blizzard. It couldn't take it. It's down. Marowak is sent out. The move fails. A smashing blow. That dealt some massive damage. Marowak is losing its health. The battle has reached its final stage. By Surf. A huge amount of damage. It's down. The results are in. The blue corner has won the game.